Hey guys, so welcome to my office. My name is Vivi. I am the face behind Fancy and Chic, and today I just have a home office tour for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. It's long been coming, and this office, oh my goodness, I am so, well, my friend says spend wisely. I am so cheap, you wouldn't even believe some of the prices of the items in here. So if I can do it, you can do it too. If you have a space that you need to utilize for your home office, you can go ahead and start putting that together, and I hope this video inspires you guys to do the same. So if I find the old video for this office, I'm gonna post it as well, because this used to be when we first bought the house, it was actually an office, but then my hubby made it out of like a recycle room where he used to put the newspaper, the everything else. It was ridiculous. So my girlfriend told me, you have this space, how come you don't have an office for you to use, and you know, for your posh pie, for your flat lay, for your blogging, for everything. So I went ahead 1 week, cleaned out everything out, started putting stuff little by little and then changing it around, and this is the current look that I'm loving. So I'll just stop with the chit chat and show you guys this office. So first you come into the double doors. I have a sticky note out there that reminds me that I need to photograph certain items. And first I will tell you guys about this gherkin sticky war art I got from the dollar store. I was so impressed when I went to the dollar store and saw this. They had other options, a lot of other options, but I think this fit my office aesthetic, so I picked that up. And those hats are all thrifted. I'm gonna try to list them and sell them. Oh my goodness, I love that dream catcher. I got that from Marshall's for, I think it was $16.99. And the fact that it was blush pink, bead looking, wooded bead looking details in the fringe, I just fell in love with it. So $16.99, I paid for that. So that's my ring light that I purchased off of Amazon. I think at the time it was like $70 or $80. I think they're on sale now, I'm not sure. And then I have my second stand, the tripod, and that's holding my phone right now. That's what I use to take my own photos at home. And it comes with a remote, so that make it even cooler. It comes with a remote. So I use this for the pictures, I use this to record. You just have to press and hold. I have my board here that I got from Marshall's, and these are from Marshall's as well. Those were like, I think the board was $9.99 or so, and then those were like $5.99. They came in a pack of 6 pillow. Here I think it still has the on it, and this I picked up from Ross for $12.99. So yeah, and it comes with a zip so you can take it off and clean it out. My outfit, this dress is Banana Republic. It's a size 10. That was the only size available. It's pretty big, but I love it with the frills. You can't really tell, and the tier, you can't really tell. And these shoes, these I bought secondhand. They're Zara's and brand new. Today is the first day I'm wearing it, and I love it. So I'm gonna do my Poshmark finds videos, so you guys can subscribe if you want to see that. And I might be listing some of the stuff that I bought for myself, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, sis. All right, so back to the office tour. So you won't believe this chair. I really like the detail in the back of this chair. I picked this up from Ross. I think it was $39.99, and I got this little, as you can see, faux fur little rug from Ross. I think it was $7.99. This I pick up from Home Goods, this knot pillow, and this little guy I got from H&M for $12.99. I picked this pillow up from Ross for $11.99. And those gold sticks I pick up from Burlington. I think they were like $5.99. This was more expensive. This was like $23. The vase, I picked that up from Michael's. And my little lamp was from Home Goods for, I think, $14.99. And you all know my slippers that I like to wear in the office. This was from Marshall's for I think $5.99. Little bamboo bag I purchased for Poshmark. And these, I bought these a long time ago from Kohl's. It comes in a set of 2. The other one is behind me. I'll show it to you guys. I have my books here. My little Target purse. Let's start with the bookshelf. This bookshelf I got from Walmart. I'll tag it. They still have it. It's I think $100 or $99.99. I'm not sure. But when I was looking for this online, everywhere else had it for, even Wayfair had it. It was more expensive on Wayfair. So I found this from Better Home and Gardens on Walmart site. I think that's a Walmart brand, I'm not sure. But I assembled it myself. It was easy and I love it. And everything on here was bought, most of the items on here was bought secondhand. This was bought new with tag, secondhand. Oh, and I just purchased these earrings not too long ago and I love it right there. I did a campaign for my bottle. That's over there. I'm gonna give that to a friend. And I just have my bags on here. The little speaker, I purchased that from Ross. I think it was $5.99. My mom bought a sign I pick up from Marshall's. And this little caddy that says "So Glam" that I put my glasses in, that is from Marshall's as well. This little art is from Target. I think that was like $9.99. The goals sign, I think it still has the, yeah, that's $9.99 from Home Goods. And the pineapple, I don't know if I talked about the pineapple earlier. Ross for $6.99. And I just put my flowers in there because I love pineapple. And yeah, so my handbags, everything just stuck on that bookshelf. And also the rug, this I really like. I have to really mount it because it's like folding over here, but this I can vacuum. It's easy to clean. But with this one, I got this from Burlington. This, oh my god, I can't really vacuum this and it gets annoying sometimes. So yeah, so my little pineapple, I need to put some of my boys' pictures on here. I picked this up from Marshall's. I think that was like $2. The 2 pink signs are from Burlington and they were $14.99 each. That board I got from Burlington for, I think it was $12.99. I was so shocked because I've been looking for one in gold. Board letters, I picked that up from Target. They are sold out. I went there the other day to look for more. They were sold out. Those were like $4.99 for the whole thing. You won't believe this art. I picked that up from TJ Maxx for I think it was 99 cents for that art. And I love it. So my moon board, I picked that up from Burlington and that was $9.99. It came with the Girl Boss sign, the dream don't work unless you do, building my empire, work hard, dream big. It came with all those signs. This is the other signs that you see, follow your dreams or love life and hello. Those were like thank you cards that I picked one out of and I just put it on the mood board until I can get my other stuff together. And you all know that picture that reminds me of myself. That's not me though, but yeah, she's cute. So that I got from Marshall's. I think it was $12.99. That dream catcher is from Marshall's. I think that was $12.99 as well. So now let's go to the table. This beautiful bold looking chair, I found one and I'm gonna link that down below, so don't forget to check out the description. That I got from Ross. That was $49.99. This Dreamer candy board, my kids ate all the candy out of it. Thrifted off of Poshmark. I bought it off of Poshmark. The Chic for Life speaks to me. That was from Marshall's. I think I paid $9.99 for that. I have I have two of them. One's in storage because I like to change my stuff around. And how do you like my leopard vase? That of a Poshmark from one of my PFF closet. And the flowers, the fake flowers, I picked that up from Marshall's as well. I think that was $12.99. This little dish is from Home Goods for $4.99. I just keep my other stuff in there. This and sign is from At Home. That was $9.99. Cactus pen holder that I picked up from Ross. That was $5.99. And my scissors, I have more. I'm thinking about listing the other ones because it was so difficult to find an all gold scissors. Is either the handle was gold and the blades were like silver, and I didn't like that. So I found a couple. It was, oh my god, you won't even believe how much I paid for it. I think $9.99 each. So I'm thinking about listing the other ones. And my pen is from Burlington. So the wood calendar is from Home Goods. I paid $12.99 for that. This is from Marshall. I think it was like $2. The clock is from Marshall. It was $12.99. This little beautiful lamp, it has battery in it. It's from Marshall's for $5.99. And these came in a set. The book clip and the push pins came in a set. I think it was set 4 with something with other stuff, and that was like $9.99. And I love this candle. The candle is from TJ Maxx for I think $2.99. There we go, $2.99. And I just did a haul. My skill, I got that off of Amazon. I'll still link that down below if you're interested. So beautiful. I use that for my business. And I just have my laptop and my iPad. I mostly use the iPad. And I don't have my printer in here. It's wireless, but it's upstairs. It doesn't really fit my aesthetics, so I keep it upstairs. This basket I got from Marshall's. I think it was like $9.99. And I just keep the brown bag there where I put all my trash. And my table, I thrifted from Goodwill, and I just did a DIY. If I can find that video, I'll post it. But I did a DIY where I spray painted it myself, let it dry, clean it up, and yeah, so it fit my aesthetic. I got this from Ross. I think it was $39.99 with the wheels. I locked the wheels so it's not moving. So I just keep my Poshmark tapes and bows and stuff when I'm ready to wrap order. The wig bracelet I got from Burlington for $5.99. So these are just junks in there. And here's the lettable letters I was talking about that I picked up for $4.99. I just put them in a Ziploc bag. My coffee cup thing. That I don't know where I got that from, but it's $5.99. And this from Marshall for $9.99. My stapler. So it's just a bunch of junks in there. And all my mugs are in here with some cards. Cards in there. And this display writing pad, I got that from, I think, Burlington. You have to really look in their stationery section. They always have some good stuff. And these are I just keep all my stuff in here. This I got from Target for, I think it was $9.99. And I just keep all my notepads and stuff in there. And yeah, so the pineapple back there, wall art, I got that from Marshall's. I think it was $2. I'm not sure, but I know it. The strap came off. I had to glue that back in. It's wooden and fabric, so I love that. I don't know if you can see it. That's really pretty. To do a haul video. This is why you see these on the rack. I really like this clothing rack. I just bought that not too long ago from Amazon. I'm gonna link that down below. I assembled it myself. It took like, I think 3 seconds or 4 seconds or 5 minutes or whatever. It didn't take long. It was quick. I was able to just screw them on quickly. So I really love that. And the hooks, I'm gonna link that. It just blends in with the aesthetic. I picked that up also from Amazon, just so when I'm photographing my rock shot, I'm able to hang the bags, as you can see. So I got that from Amazon, and I'm so happy I was able to find them. And all these hangers I picked up from Marshall's. Some with the rose gold finish and some with the velvet hangers is like the best hangers ever. And then I have some with the gold and silver. Yeah, so I really like this. And all those shoes, I'm gonna do a haul. Some of them I bought off of Poshmark. And here's the other storage ottoman. It came in a set of 2. I think it was like $40. I was looking for the gold one. It was the last one they had on Kohl's website. I think I bought it like a year ago. So yeah, this I'm selling. And I bought a couple of things from Amazon. I'm gonna do a haul. And my newest addition to my office is this beautiful pineapple ruffles. Look at the details on this pillow. I purchased that off of one of my PFF closet on Poshmark. I will link her down below so you can check out her website. And this pineapple, I'm going to list this because I have too many pineapples. My vase and pine leaves and whatever. I picked that up from Michael's. I think it's like $1.99 or so for each of them. So yeah, and then my office curtains, I really don't like these very much because they're very long. They were long. I decided the last few days to just tape them. I know it looks crazy, but I just wanted to tape them so I can use this part of the windows. And I hardly really open them because I have my ring light that I use all the time, and a lot of light comes in through here, so I don't really worry about light like that. So I thought I should just tape them on the window sills so I can put something on the display to use that part of the office. Yeah, so I got the curtains from IKEA. They were like, I think $9.99, 2 in the pack, and I just used 1 pack in here. And my mirror that I love very much, I got this from IKEA. I'm gonna link it if I can find it. So that's it for my home office tour. I hope you like it. This is a small space that I put together all by myself. It didn't cost me a whole lot, so if I can do it, you can do it. And if you enjoyed this home office tour video and you would like to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will